Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to open Excel file as a read only. So no changes are saved by mistake. So let's start. So here you can see in my desktop have a one Excel file, the sales data. So this file I'm going to open as a read only. For that, first simply right click on the Excel file and click on the properties option. In properties in general tab, have a last option attributes. Just click on the read only option, then click on the apply, then click on the OK, and that's it. Now you can open this Excel file as a read only. Just simply double click on it to open this Excel file. And here you can see your Excel file is a read only. Okay. So you can't save anything and you can't edit anything. Okay. So this is a way you can open your Excel file as a read only. So no changes are saved by mistakes. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.